I'm going to show this in our own site, but same thing you can do in Udemy lectures as well. So we have a 1 year access as well as all individual courses that you can purchase. So once you have purchased, you can access the courses in Moodle. So type moodle.navigatetechnologies.com, and if you have purchased the course, then you will be able to log in. So once you are logged in, go to any of the course material. So right now I'm going to multi-phase course. So inside this, you can play the lectures and follow along by downloading the case files. So these are the lecture notes, and here you will find the case files, similar structure that you find in Udemy. And once you download this, just open this, unzip this first, and then you can first directly run this. I recommend that you should follow the lectures and edit the files instead of directly running them. Let me kill this and let's visualize whatever we have simulated so far. So similar to before, we have to create an a.foam file and then open ParaView and open this a.foam file. So here you'll be able to see the results. Let's look at alpha, and you can play to see all the time results, and you can also convert this in points by going to filters, then alphabetical, and then cell to points. In order to get the most out of our lectures, you should download the PDFs as well as you should follow the lectures and edit the code along with that. Open the files that are provided by opening the folder, and then you can edit with the videos. So let's say you want to edit the files that are provided for this lecture. You can just edit this file by looking at the lecture as well.